Hello Arabic learners, hope you are all doing good. You all know that we need to ask questions when we want to learn, and today's lesson is all about questions, so keep watching. Today we are going to see the most important interrogative words in Arabic. هل أنتم مستعدون? Are you ready? Let's go! هيا بنا! First, to ask yes or no questions in Arabic we use a or هل. A or هل. Examples: أأنت جائع? أأنت جائع? Are you hungry? Or هل أنت جائع? هل أنت جائع? Are you hungry? Next one, ما and ماذا, the English counterpart of what. Examples: ما رأيك في الدرس? What do you think about the lesson? ماذا تريد أن تأكل? ماذا تريد أن تأكل? What do you want to eat? Next one, لماذا? Why? We use لماذا to ask about the reason. The reason. السبب. Next interrogative word is من. Who? We use من when asking questions about people. Example: من سيذهب معك في عطلة? Who is going with you on vacation? Next one is أيو, the English counterpart of which. We use أيو in Arabic when asking questions about things. Next one is متى. متى, the English counterpart of when. We use متى in Arabic when asking questions about the time. Example: متى موعد عيد ميلادك? متى موعد عيد ميلادك? When is your birthday? Right to the next one. كيف. كيف. How. Example: كيف حالك? كيف حالك? How are you? Next interrogative word is أين. أين. Where. We use أين in Arabic when asking questions about the place. المكان. المكان. Example: أين ستذهب بعد المدرسة? أين ستذهب بعد المدرسة? Where are you going after school? Next one, كم. كم. How many? Example: كم بلدا زرته? كم بلدا زرته? How many countries did you visit? Next one, become. Become. How much? Become is similar to come, but become in Arabic is mostly used when asking about the price. Example: بكم ثمن الكتاب? بكم ثمن الكتاب? How much does the book cost? Let's go again through all the interrogative words that we have seen. A and هل are used with yes or no questions. لماذا? لماذا when asking questions about the reason. متى? متى when asking questions about the time. أين. أين when asking questions about the place. من. من when asking questions about people. أيو. أيو when asking questions about things. كيف. كيف when asking questions about manner. كم when asking questions about quantity. Become. Become when asking questions about the price. And also we have ma and mada, the English counterparts of what. Now we arrived at the end of this video. I hope you'll find it helpful. See you soon. إلى اللقاء.